Hello, boys and girls. We're going to do a little reading lesson today, and I'm going to take you through just your little worksheet that you're going to do. You're going to do both sides of it, but it's going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy for you guys. So before we get started on that, though, I wanted to review our magic E that we've been learning about. So I have a couple words here for us to look at. So the first one is M-A-K-E. Now, I've already decorated this one a little bit. So we know that this is magic E, not just because I put stars around it, but also because there is one consonant between magic E and the vowel, which is A in this case, right? So what does magic E do? Magic E makes the vowel, in this case the letter A, say its name. So instead of saying A says A, says its own name. All right, and remember, the way we can tell that it is magic E is because there's only one consonant. If there was more than one consonant, it wouldn't be magic E, it'd just be regular E. If there was no consonant, it was just like A-E, that wouldn't make it magic E. It would be a little bit different than that. Okay, so let's tap out this word. Okay, so get your tapping hands ready. We're going to start with the first letter and the first sound. Ready? A-K. Make. Good job. Good job. All right, so now let's look at this word here. This is a word you see all the time. It's actually at the top of your page right now. But this word we're also going to blend together. So, but first I want you to look at this word. Does this word have magic E, or does it just have regular E? It does have magic E. I didn't put the stars around it because I wanted you guys to figure out if it was. But yes, it does have magic E, and we can tell because there's only one consonant between the vowel A and the E. So because this is magic E, what happens? Well, because this is magic E, now the A says its name. So A doesn't say ah. It's not eh. Nah, no, that's not a real word. Magic E is silent, so we don't hear an E sound, but it also makes A say its name. So let me spruce this page up a little bit. Let's get some of our stars for magic E. Got our consonant, and help remind us that it is a long A. I circled it. Okay, there we go. So now let's tap this out and blend it together. Ready? Starting with the first sound. Name. Good, very good. Okay, so remember what magic E does. Magic E's powers are that it makes the vowel say its name. Okay, good. All right, so that was just a little review for us. For your worksheet today, you are going to write your name, of course. I don't even have to remind you of that, right? You were going to do that already. Some of you probably already did it. Well, it says the word at has a short A sound, the ah, that's short A. If you add E to the end, you make the word eight, because now it's A-T-E, so now there's magic E at the end, so it's eight. And so this makes the long A sound in eight. All right, so now the instructions say, read the words in the box. Listen for the long A sound and write the word that names each picture. So you are going to read these 4 words. Remember to tap them out. And remember, there's magic E in them, so don't let magic E trick you. Remember what he does. All right, so you are going to read these words. Then you need to write the word next to the correct picture. So which picture matches which word. Okay? Then at the bottom, it says write your own sentence using a word from the box. So choose one of these words and write your own sentence using that word, okay? Try sounding out any of the words that you don't know. Try sounding them out on your own. Now on the other side, we have our sight words for the week. So we've been chopping these in the classroom. We've been opera spelling them. So you should be familiar with them so far. So what you're going to do is you're going to read each sentence. Okay, you got that? You're going to read each sentence, and you are going to look at the pictures here. So they give you 6 pictures to go with the 6 sentences. After you read a sentence, look at the pictures on the side to figure out, which picture matches this sentence. Okay? So for number 1, I cannot go out today. That's true. It's very snowy out. I cannot go out today. All right, so for this sentence, which picture matches it? So you have to look at the pictures and try and figure out, okay, which picture goes with that sentence. So then you're just going to draw a line from that sentence to that picture, okay? And you're going to do that for all 6 of these. So read them on your own as best you can. If you need help, of course, you can ask for help, but I want you to try it on your own first, okay? So read the sentences. The sight word is in bold, so it's a little bit darker than the other words. And then find the picture that goes along with it. All right, boys and girls, you have got this, okay? So remember, look for that magic E and review your sight words.